Day trading, everyone's heard of it, and social media is packed with gurus selling you on how easy it is to make a quick profit. It's all about that wake up, trade for a few hours, then live the dream lifestyle. But let's be real, the reality is way different. You'll see screenshots of big wins, expensive cars, and fancy vacations, but there's a lot they're not telling you. Day trading is a grind. Most of the time, it's just hours in front of charts, analyzing data, stressing over every move, and for a lot of people, ending up in the red. There's so many gurus out there just selling lies through their overpriced courses. Take Ricky Gutierrez, for example. This guy has made a fortune off his audience, selling his course for like $300. Absolute scam. However, because of his audience buying his course, he's got the lifestyle most dream of. But here's the thing, most of his money isn't coming from day trading. It's coming from selling the idea of day trading to his followers. The goal isn't really to make you a good trader, it's to keep you invested in his content, so you keep buying his courses and products. That's where the real profit lies. Gurus know that most people don't make money day trading, but they know the dream sells. Actual results. When it comes to actual results, the stories are a mixed bag. Sure, you'll hear about those few traders who turned a couple of $1,000s into 6 or 7 figures, and their success stories go viral. But for every one of those, there are countless others who have lost everything. Some have even gone into debt trying to chase those high returns. The truth is, while there are examples of people hitting it big, they're outliers. Most day traders struggle to make consistent profits. In fact, many end up getting discouraged after their initial excitement fades and reality sets in. It's crucial to understand that day trading isn't a surefire path to wealth. It's a risky endeavor. And while there are potential rewards, the risks often outweigh them for the majority. So, before you dive in, take a good hard look at what's really possible and prepare for the journey ahead. Let's get into some hard numbers. Around 90% of day traders lose money over time. Think about that, 90%. It's not something you master in a week or two, or even a few months. People think it's an easy route to financial freedom, but in reality, it's more like a casino. You might have some wins here and there, but most people end up walking away with less than they started. Even the pros, the ones who've been at it for years, still struggle with consistency. There's a reason this isn't the get-rich-quick plan that gurus make it out to be. One thing that's almost guaranteed with day trading is the stress. You're watching the market tick up and down every second, and with every little move, your money's on the line. It's addictive, but it's also exhausting. Imagine spending hours glued to your screen, seeing your profits rise and fall by the minute. You're constantly reacting, always in a state of high alert. For most people, it becomes more about the rush than the actual gains. Take a relatable scenario. Picture yourself trading a popular tech stock like Apple. You've done your research and everything seems to indicate a strong day ahead. You buy in at $150, and for the first few minutes, the stock climbs to $155. Your heart races, you think you've hit the jackpot, but then suddenly, news breaks about supply chain issues and the stock plummets back down to $145. In that moment, you face a decision. Do you sell and accept the loss, or hold out hoping it will bounce back? The pressure mounts as you watch the stock price fluctuate. You might convince yourself that it will recover and that you can make back your money, but each tick down feels like a punch to the gut. The emotional roller coaster can lead to impulsive decisions. Instead of sticking to your trading plan, you might panic sell or double down on your position in a desperate attempt to regain your losses. This cycle of fear and greed often leads to poor decision making, and that's exactly why so many end up making mistakes and losing money. It's not just about the money, it's about managing the stress that comes with it, which can quickly spiral out of control for many traders. While money can bring happiness and freedom, the stress from day trading might not be worth the potential gain, especially since success is never guaranteed. So, how do you actually start day trading? If you're still interested in trying your hand at day trading, here's how to get started. I'm not going to be that guy who tries to sell you a course because most of those are useless. All the info you need is right here on YouTube. First, you need a solid education. You can't just dive in blindly. There are plenty of free resources available. Understand market mechanics, learn how to read charts, and develop a trading plan. Set realistic goals and prepare yourself for losses because they will happen. You'll need a trading platform, so do your research to find one that fits your style. Some popular platforms include eStarTrade, Robinhood, Webull, and most importantly, start small. Don't risk everything on your first few trades. If you want me to make a more in-depth video on this, let me know down below. Social media glamorizes day trading as if it's a luxury lifestyle. Aren't the result of day trading profits. They're the result of selling courses. The traders who actually make it big are usually the ones who don't need to flaunt it. The irony is, the real money in day trading isn't made by day trading at all. It's made by getting people to buy into the fantasy and keeping them engaged with paid content. If you're serious about day trading, treat it like any other business. Learn the skills, understand the risk, and be prepared for the losses along the way. But don't fall for the guru guru trap. Most of these guys are making money by selling the dream, not by trading. They figured out the formula: show a luxurious lifestyle, post some big wins, and boom, people buy in. So be smart. Day trading isn't a shortcut, it's a grind, and it's definitely not what social media makes it out to be. Tim Sykes has achieved remarkable success in the trading world primarily through his ability to capitalize on penny stocks, where he turned his initial investment of $12,415 from his bar mitzvah into over $1.65 million. His keen understanding of market trends, combined with a disciplined approach to trading, has allowed him to identify profitable opportunities quickly. Tim also effectively utilizes social media and online platforms to share his trading strategies and insights, building a significant following and creating a strong brand around his expertise. His success can also be attributed to his commitment to education. He has developed a comprehensive training program that teaches aspiring traders the fundamentals of trading, risk management, and market analysis. By sharing both his wins and losses transparently, he provides a realistic perspective on trading that resonates with many individuals seeking financial independence.